Hello guys, KlarusG20. What a disappointment flashlight. Okay, this is supposed to be XHP70, which will produce a little bit over 4,000 lumens. I should have known better when I look at this flashlight that there is something not right, and pretty much this does not produce 4,000 lumens. This is actually rated at 3,000 lumens, but I don't think it even goes to up to 3,000 lumens. I don't know, I am just really disappointed in this thing. It's not EDC, as you can see. Okay, this would be EDC, which is in my pocket right here, and it's not exactly, you know, like a big powerful flashlight either. So it's something in the middle, which you cannot really carry with you. And if you're gonna go for a flashlight, powerful flashlight, you probably want to go for this. Okay, the number one thing that's disappointing about this flashlight, you're gonna turn on the turbo, and it will go down to the next lower mode within about 20 seconds. So I don't know. I'm just kind of bummed about this thing. I mean, really, it was 75 bucks on eBay, and that was a steal. Okay, this BLF Q8, I believe it was like a 55 bucks. It takes 4 14650 batteries, and it has 4 XPL emitters, which is 1000 lumens piece. Okay, this one has a 1 emitter which should be producing 4,000 lumens, but it's not. I don't know why would you cut down on the lumens. What I find out, they actually feed it, it's supposed to take about a 4.2 or 4.5 amps, but they just feed it only 3.2 amps or 3 amps or something like that. So they pretty much cut down on the amperage. Well, it's pretty obvious. Okay, you got number one, XPL70 is a 6-volt LED. You're gonna feed it from one battery, which is 4 volts. Well, I don't know, you have a step up, some kind of transformer or whatever you want to call those things, and I just can't remember the right name right now, but it's got to be a step up, something from 4 volts to 6 volts, and that will actually take much more power out of the battery than if you have 2 batteries in a row and you step down, let's say from 8 to 6. Okay, so obviously you have to cut the power somewhere, I guess, because that driver would be probably pretty big. It wouldn't even fit into the flashlight if you want to feed it 4.2 amps or something like that. So anyway, that's just a really disappointing part about this flashlight. And another disappointing part is it has 2 switches, okay? And they do exactly the same thing. What in the hell? I mean, this one will bring it to the night mode. Okay, well, if I want a night mode, I'm gonna get one of these. Jesus Christ. Okay, give me one of these lights from eBay for $1.99. And I'm gonna put it next to my bed. If I want a night mode, I'm gonna reach for a small one. Hello, I got a night mode right there, okay? And if I want a light, I'm gonna reach for the big one. How many times you gonna use the night mode when you look for something in the dark? I don't know. Probably 0. Okay. Now another thing, you have to hold the buttons, this one and this one, either way, to shut it off. Okay. That's kind of bummer too. I don't know, just do a little better combination between these two. They don't have to do exactly the same thing. So that's a bummer flashlight. That's a waste of money. Honestly, you guys on the YouTube reviewing these flashlights, bragging about it like hell, that's unbelievable. Really. If you want to brag about something, brag about this one here. Okay? This is the Olight H2R Nova. This will produce exactly the same light as this one here. And this is an EDC light. And this will actually stay on longer than this one here. This will stay on for about probably, I would say, minute and a half in the turbo mode. This will stay on about 20 seconds in turbo mode. And when I compare them next to each other on a light beam, they are nice wide angle lights, okay, both of them. They are widespread, which I actually like. I don't need to see 1,000 miles in front of me. I need to see what is 30 feet in front of me, or 20 feet in front of me, or right in front of me. I don't give a shit what is 100 miles in front of me. I don't have to see that. I don't know what the hell is that purpose for. Anyway, so and look at this beauty. Okay, this is an EDC light. Really nice clip. Hold on to your pocket. Deep clip. Okay, look at the charging. Isn't that beautiful? And it's charging. Light here. Charging. When it's charged, it will turn green. Okay? Really nice feature. So I'm gonna take it outside and I'm gonna compare these 4 flashlights here. The KlarusG20, BLF Q8, the Olight H2R Nova, and this one here that I actually built myself, and I have another video about it, which has the XHP70 in it with 2 26650 batteries. So let's see how they compare. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the KlarusG20, since this is the new flashlight, and I'm just gonna compare the high modes. Okay, I'm not gonna bother with the mid or low or moonlight, whatever. So this is the KlarusG20. Not bad, right? And this will be the Olight Nova, and I'm just gonna leave this on. Just obviously right away it will just go down, like in, I don't know, 20 seconds it will go down to lower mode, to just a lower setting. So let me try it again. Okay, this is the turbo. Now this is the turbo on Olight Nova. See, not much different. Okay, KlarusG20, Nova. I don't see much different. So KlarusG20. Let's go into the BLF Q8. Yeah, this is a much narrower beam. not as much spread, so it's gonna be a little bit more distance. Okay, this is the KlarusG20 again. Yeah, the BLF Q8 is a little bit more distance light. Klarus. And now I'm gonna go to my flashlight that I built. It's HP70. Okay, it's a different light. Oops, sorry, my mistake. Didn't push the button completely, but that's the HP70 warm light, and this is the Klarus. Okay. Again, this one's going to be a little bit narrow beam, so it's going to be much more taller, but you can see this is much more light from the HP70, even though it doesn't spread as well. Yeah, it's a different beam, so it's hard to compare these two. KlarusG20. But anyway, you know what I mean. It's gonna go down a couple of seconds. See? It just dims. 20 seconds, maybe 15, I don't know. That's just kind of bummer. So I would not brag about it that much if I were you guys on eBay, okay? It's not that great of a flashlight, and I think this is going to be my only Klarus that I'm going to ever buy. So till next time.